Hey everyone, it's Yev. Today I want to do a closer look at this N80, the newest low-profile mechanical keyboard from Royal Clutch. My version today is in a sandy gray color and with a brown switches, because I like the tactile mechanical brown switches. This keyboard promises a lot, with a low-profile switches, with a smart display screen and remote connectivity. It should be something amazing. So let's dive into the review. Okay, let's unbox this beauty and let's check what we have inside the box. As we open the box, the first thing we see is obviously an N80 keyboard itself, very well packed and protected. Along with the keyboard, you will get a Type-C to USB cable, 2.4G dongle for wireless connection and 4 spare switches, which is a nice bonus. There is also a keycap and switch puller, which is also a nice touch if you want to do any of customization. And lastly, obviously, you will have a user manual to help get you started. Okay, now when we have it out of the box, let's discover the main features of this keyboard. The N80 comes with RK low-profile switches, which obviously have a shorter actuation distance, and this is a good for faster response time in comparison to normal mechanical switches. And usually it's great for both for gaming and for typing. Keycaps is an ABS double shot plastic and I'm sure they will last long. It's a good keycaps. The smart display screen is really a main feature of this keyboard, main selling point, I would say. It can display a custom GIFs, connection modes and battery status and even more. The knob from the other side is very intuitive control and it allows you to tweak the volume or background, brightness or switch RGB modes. This 3-mode connectivity means you can switch between Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz dongle or of course USB-C connection. The top-mounted design will ensure that it will be a really firm keystrokes and stable feedbacks, and this is a great if you need this for intense gaming sessions or long typing sessions. It also has a triple sound absorbing layers, different foam inside the case, and it will minimize noise and will provide a smooth and quiet typing experience, which is great for typing keyboard. 3750 mAh battery will offer you really impressive longevity, and I did test and I really can use it up to 25 hours with RGB lighting and 115 hours without. And with all these 18 different RGB dynamic themes, you really can customize the look of this keyboard, how this keyboard looks on your desk. Okay, let's put this mechanical keyboard from Royal Clutch to the test. Let's start from the fast-paced FPS game, and in this case, low-profile switches really can provide you with, quick response time. Comparison to the regular mechanical switches, obviously because they are shorter, and it may really, make your every keystroke count. From other side, for office work, typing on this keyboard feels really smooth and responsive, and this is because of these brown switches, but if you like linear switches, you can have red linear switches as well. Okay, what about this triple sound absorbing layer? So these layers keep this keyboard really quiet, which is a nice bonus if you need a quiet mechanical keyboard, right? From other side, the smart display screen, yeah, this is a really handy tool. You can check the battery status or you can switch connection mode, which means you can switch between different devices. This is really great. Overall, what I can say after some testing, this keyboard performed really well, and obviously you can use it for gaming and you can use it for productivity. So this keyboard is really pretty versatile. Now, the main part of each mechanical keyboard review, sound test. Okay guys, to sum it up, this N80 low profile mechanical keyboard from RK in this sandy gray with brown switches, I think it's a really solid performer, especially with this knob screen tool. This is a really good idea. And also this low profile switches and remote connectivity, and you can choose this keyboard for gaming, for typing, for everything what you need. And in addition to that, you can customize this RGB, and do not forget about long battery life. I think this keyboard could be your really good choice. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful. Give it a thumb up and subscribe for more reviews. Let me know in the comments if you have any question about this N80 low profile mechanical keyboard or any other products you'd like me to review, and I see you next time.